Alright, so I flush my toilet. And can you hear the noise? So what's going on is that this thing is not filling up fast enough. It seems like the problem is right here. It's my fill valve. I don't know what happened to it, but I'm just gonna change it. So here we go. Got me a new one. I think this was like less than $10 from Walmart, I believe. First, turn off the water right over here. Second, trying to drain the rest of the water that's in there. Next, get you a cup or anything, because once you open this right here, you're gonna have a little bit of water that's left. So if you don't want to create a mess, and then you unscrew this part right over here. And after that, you lift this up, and that's the rest of the water falling in there. You could have used the towel to just soak it all in right over here, but I don't want to do that. Old one, new one. Put it in here, screw it back in. And then you attach the water hose right over here. All right, so turn the water back on. And watch this thing fill up pretty quickly. And that's it. That took me literally less than 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. That way you don't miss any of our little DIY videos.